This is DJI Spark, and today I will quickly show how you can insert or eject an SD card on this drone. So in the beginning, take your drone and look at the rear end of the aircraft. Well, just look at the opposite end of the camera. Here you'll find this lid that has the Spark name written on it, which you need to open like that. Pick it up with your fingernail or some other object you have handy. On the left you'll find the charging or data transferring port, the micro USB slot, and on your right should I say, you'll find an SD card slot, which, well, you need to put your micro SD card in. So take the memory card, make sure that it is aligned as shown on this little icon here, so this way, and then simply push it in. And once you hear a very distinctive click, that means that the memory card is slotted all the way in, so you can close the lid and start using it. In order to eject it, do all the same actions but in reverse. So open the lid, whatever, then push the memory card slightly in, so push it in, and it should pop right out. Here it is. Now pinch it with your fingers or fingernails like that and simply take it out all the way. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.